The audio adapter allows direct input from computers, personal stereos, TVs, MP3 players, and other external audio equipment. Always use the audio adapter to connect your Baha sound processor to any equipment that runs on batteries or plugs into the wall. Telecoils are specifically designed to help people hear better on the phone. They also provide access to loop facilities in homes and public buildings. While the other sound processors can be connected to a telecoil, the Cordell has a telecoil that's built in. Connecting an FM receiver to your Baha sound processor may help you to hear better at school or work, wherever an FM system is in use. FM receivers can be specific in how they connect to your sound processor. Be sure to consult a hearing care specialist to determine the FM receiver that is best for you. You can purchase the accessories at your hearing care center or order them from Cochlear.com. Note: FM receivers should be ordered from a hearing care specialist or the FM system manufacturer directly.